You can automatically generate armatures, ragdolls, and real-time soft body simulations instantly with Rig and Ragdoll Wizard Blender add-on. To create an armature, click on Create Armature button and play with the bone settings. Once you reach the desired look, press Apply button and your armature is ready with inverse kinematics and automatic weight transfer. The same thing is applied to creating a ragdoll. Select your object and press Generate Ragdoll button and apply the settings and play the simulation. Now you can bring your characters to life. The simulation is real-time, so you can just create hundreds of clones. Click on the Duplicate Ragdoll button and define how many amount of clones you want to create. It is not over. You can simulate any kind of deformation such as vehicles and vegetations and create realistic-looking destruction visual effects with Ragdoll Wizard. Transform your projects with Rig and Ragdoll Wizard. Download it today from the official Blender Marketplace or our website and take the first step towards a more efficient and creative workflow.